make it the enchilada pie recipe. Black beans. We need the black beans or any refried pinto beans. We need the Mexican vegetable rice. It's easy to make it, any rice like that, or brown rice just. We need the tomato sauce, green tomato sauce. If you have the red sauce, it will be fine. I have the green tomato sauce, and if you guys need this recipe, I give you this too. And the vegetables like green pepper, bell pepper, corn, squash. Start from the first beans. Just 1 tablespoon oil. When oil going little hot, put it inside. Just crushed green chili and garlic ginger paste. This is, I put the green garlic chili paste, just 1 tablespoon, and then put the refried beans inside. I told you guys, if you want to just make it down by itself, the refried beans, black beans, boil it and crush it. And I put just half spoon red chili powder and just little bit cumin seed powder. And just saute a little bit. Also, we need the 4 flour tortilla or corn tortilla or whatever you like it, or if you want like make it the Indian style roti, so you just need the tortilla and just little bit shallow fry, or just need the crunch. You guys need the oven safe plate and spray the oil, or if you want the spray the butter, whatever, just, and put the tortilla 2 at a time, and then pour the sauce. If you want me this recipe, I give you in the description for the green tomato sauce. Then put it the beans, 1 layer of beans. Then put the 1 layer Mexican vegetable rice. Then put the 1 layer all vegetables like onion, whole peppers, squash, whatever you like. And put the Mexican 4 cheese or any white cheese. I have both kind of mozzarella cheese and the Mexican cheese. Cover with the 2 tortillas, some sauce, a nice quantity of the again cheese. Like this, you cover it up and put the preheated 350-degree oven until 15 minutes, or if you don't have oven, you just put it in the microwave for the 7 minutes. And put the jalapenos, green jalapenos, or if you like the any kind of the red jalapeno. Put the 15 to 17 minutes. (15 minutes) done, and all cheese nice, great melted, looking crispy, yummy. garnish with the coriander leaves and the green onion. See guys, looking yummy. Nice pie. This is, you leave it for the 4 days inside the refrigerator. Is good for the lunch. Bye guys. If you like it, please comment below and thumbs up for my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.